Hey everybody, I hope you're having a great day. My name is Charlene and I live in Wisconsin with my family. I'm married. I have two daughters that are 16 and 10. And a little bit about me is I have a history of working in corporate America along with being a traditional business owner. So I owned a traditional business for about 15 years. And at one point, when the economy took a pretty dramatic downturn in 2008, shortly thereafter, I ended up closing that business and having to go back to work. Once you have worked for yourself and had your own schedule and understand the leverage of time freedom and time management and employees, and now you have to go back to work and sit in a cubicle and have a boss every day, you learn real quickly that you don't ever want to go back to that again. When you are your own boss, you realize you don't ever want to have a boss again. So, but because I closed my business, I did not have a lot of options at that point. I just needed to make a paycheck so I could keep a roof over my head and get back on my feet. So I went back to work and began quickly looking for opportunities. And I dabbled in a lot of network marketing programs. I also dabbled in a lot of online programs. And in that process, I spent a lot of money and really getting nowhere and spinning my wheels until about 6 months ago, I stumbled into a couple of programs and I started earning some small commissions. But through doing that, you really meet a lot of people and you learn a lot from other people. And I began a program that has a couple of things which I wanted to talk to you about today, because there's a lot of new people coming into the digital marketing area, online marketing area, and they have no idea what they're doing. They're very new, and this has been a program in which a lot of new people are coming on board, and within the first couple of days, they're making their first commission. And that typically is hard to do in a lot of online programs. It just really is. There's a lot to know. So in this, we give you all of the things that you need as a new person to succeed. We give you a blueprint for success, and I'm going to go through some of that real quickly. And I don't want to make this video terribly long, but I want to talk about how new people are coming into this and making $100 weeks, and soon after that $200 weeks, $300 weeks. And whatever your goal is, if it's $500 a month, you can do that. If it's $1,000 a month, you can do that. If it's to replace your income, your full-time income, you can do that. That just totally depends what your goals and your desires are. So let's get into it. And I'm going to share my screen with you here real quick. And let's get out of here. So the program I'm talking about today is $25 1-Up. It is an instant pay program. So that means that when someone comes into the program and they purchase one of our training packages, they pay you directly, and it's 100% commissions. So we have a couple of different levels. So something for everyone. Depending, what kind of income you have or what kind of money you have to get started. But I will tell you that try and avoid the free programs. There's not a lot of substance to those, and you're going to keep spinning your wheels and not really make anything. And then you're going to say that nothing works. So the true business opportunities, there is an upfront investment. Like when I started my business, my traditional business, there was an investment. I had real estate, I had employees, I had inventory, I had signage, I had advertising, and before I even opened my doors, I spent $750. This program, I will tell you, you can come in at the gold level. It's 25 bucks, and you can make unlimited commissions at 25 bucks. However, you're not going to make the $100 days or the type of income that maybe you want to make to really change your economy, you have to come in at least the platinum level. So to come in at that level, it's $135. That's not a lot. I spent $750,000 when I went into business. And after I was done 15 years later, I didn't have a whole lot to show for it. So $135 is not a lot of money, and it's a one-time thing. A lot of programs out there might have monthly fees, monthly auto ships, things like that. Not here. It's a one-time $135 to come in at the platinum level to earn $125 over and over and over and over. And if you're going to make your first sale in that first week, you've already broken even. So there's not a lot of question as far as, you know, should I get started or not? Because if you're willing to put in the work, and I'll teach you, we have the blueprint to do exactly what to do. If you can follow directions, you can make that back very, very quickly. Now, a couple other levels that are brand new. We have a diamond level, which is $250. And then we have an enterprise level, which is $500. Now, as you work yourself up the ranks, you know, get a couple sales under your belt, reinvest it, get to these higher levels. Because if you're at the $500 level and now you're going to make a $500 commission, what can that do for you? How can that change your situation? Did you know that most people are $300 to $500 away a month from bankruptcy? That's not very much. So if you can do $300 or $500 here a month, that could be a car payment, your rent, your cell phone bill. Anyway, so that's a little bit about the different levels. So really quickly, you can see how you can earn, you know, $100 a week and eventually begin earning $125 per day. So this program really has everything that you need. So I'm going to look at the products real quick and what's available at each level. So the gold level has all of your pre-written ads. What do we do on a daily basis? We are posting ads on social media. We're posting ads on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, whatever platform that you're super comfortable with, that's what you're doing, okay? And we give you some cheat sheets here, how to do that. We teach you how to post in Facebook groups. In those Facebook groups, we even give you several hundred links into Facebook groups, so you don't even need to find them. They're here in the back office. So you'll get all of this training at the gold level. Then when you come in at the platinum level, you'll get all of the gold materials. Plus, then at the platinum level, you're going to get some additional Facebook training, YouTube training, and Instagram training. Lots of top promoters promote on YouTube. YouTube is definitely where it's at, and people get to learn who you are. So the platinum level has fantastic training to really help you grow your income faster. And some of the other products then at the diamond level, let me click in there real quick. You'll learn how how to start branding yourself, different lifestyles, email marketing, things like that. So it's a little bit more advanced. And then of course we have the enterprise level. So it's really pretty simple as far as the training. We also have all of your funnels already set up for you. So if you're coming into this as a new person, you don't know what a landing page is, you don't know anything about email marketing, and you certainly don't know how to put them all together. So in the back office, we have a number of different funnels already created for you. And all you need to do is share that with other people. So when you're posting an ad, let's say on Facebook, and you then want to share this link with someone so they can get the information, and then you follow up with them to get them started. That's really how simple it is. So your funnel pages are in here. Once people get into your funnel, the system already has an automated email responder to start sending them emails. Not everybody gets started right away. So follow up is really, really important, and the system will send out those emails. And then in addition to that, let's say you're a little bit more of an advanced marketer, you can set up your own autoresponder in here. So if you have Aweber or GetResponse or something like that, you can link that to the back office. I haven't done mine in a while, so I don't know where it is. So anyways, so just know that you can link those autoresponders to the back office of the program. You can also set up, so that way it's like a meet your sponsor area. So that way when you have new people coming in, they can learn about you. You can put a video in here, how to contact on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube. But then also, if you have other business opportunities that you promote, put that information in your back office, because those people, you know, as an online marketer, those people will tend to follow you and become part of your other businesses. So there's lots of information in here, and I didn't want to go too in detail because today's training is how can a new person begin making $100 a week and eventually begin making $100 a day. So get with us, like my page, comment below, subscribe to my channel, and ask some questions. Let us get you started. The link to get started will be below. And make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit the little notification bell so that way every time I post a video, you'll get notified. So have a great day. Here's to your success, and I look forward to speaking with each and every one of you. Take care.